In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at yet another spacious 4-bedroom maisonette house plan. We bring to you the Ruby 4-bedroom maisonette. This is a classical design with a rustic touch. It features a high-pitched roof and lots of balcony spaces. This would be perfect for someone who loves enjoying views from the safety of their balcony. Every single room has access to a large balcony. The bay windows in the lounge and in the master bedroom serve you with tantalizing panoramic views. On each floor of this house plan, you have two distinct wings. The front entrance porch brings you into the entrance hall of this house. At the entrance hall, you have the staircase as well as a large store tucked under the staircase. On one wing, you have a spacious kitchen, and next to the kitchen, you have a spacious dining room. The kitchen and the dining room are separated by a breakfast counter. The living room is simply expansive, with sliding doors that exit into the rear porch. The living room has a nice bar area and an additional cozy sitting area along the bay window. You have a visitor's cloakroom, a laundry room, as well as an ensuite guest room located on the other wing. This house plan features a 2-car garage. You can also access the house through the garage right in front of the laundry room. Upstairs, you have a family room that occupies one wing. The family room has huge balconies on either sides, giving you great views of the outdoors. You have two other bedrooms that are similar in size and can fit 2 single beds easily. The 2 bedrooms have what we call a Jack and Jill shared bathroom. The Jack and Jill bathroom can be accessed from each bedroom, giving each room an ensuite feel. Both bedrooms have access to a front-facing balcony. The master bedroom is big and spacious with a walk-in closet. The master bathroom is also large and spacious with enough space for a jacuzzi and huge bay windows. The master bedroom has its own private balcony which faces the rear garden. The ground floor has a total of 128 square meters with a 46 square meter garage. The top floor has 128 square meters with an additional 80 square meters of terrace space. The plinth dimension of this house plan, that is the footprint of this house plan, is 16 meters by 18 meters. This house plan has been designed for a 1/4 acre piece of land. This house plan has a total of 256 square meters as well as a garage and various terraces. All these spaces are priced differently when it comes to construction. The estimate cost of construction for this house plan is about 11.5 million. All the construction cost estimates for the spaces provided have been extracted from the latest Building and Construction Cost Handbook by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors, the 2019-2020 edition. As always, keep in mind that a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction. This is a good budget to work with, but the cost can differ depending on the location of the project and the finishes used. And that is the Ruby 4-bedroom maisonette house plan. If you're interested in this house plan or any other house plan, we are readily available to customize and tweak these house plans to your needs and to your budget. Thank you for joining us for this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave them on the comment section below, and we'll see you in our next video.